Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack.
In today's video, I will show you why it's a good idea to clean your toilet with Denture cleanser. First, let's see how dirty this toilet bowl is. Filthy, and you can see that calcium moldy rim. Drop 3 tablets of Denture cleanser into the toilet. Leave them overnight and you will see what a powerful cleaner it is. This is an effortlessly cleaning of your toilet bowl. The Denture tablets contain citric acid that kills bacteria and mildew. It's great for general sanitizing, disinfecting and cleaning. It also removes soap scum, hard water stains, calcium deposits, lime and rust. Sodium bicarbonate, that is an abrasive scouring agent. Deodorizer, dissolves dirt, tackles odors and cuts through grime. Sodium carbonate, that removes grease, stains and stubborn dirt. It also works as a water softener. In the morning, just clean with your toilet brush and that's it. This is a really powerful cleaning tablet. Removes bacteria and germs. Has a whitening action. The active oxygen formula fights stains formation. Dissolves stains. Removes mold. Denture tablets can be also used to unclog your drain by adding 2 or 3 tablets. Then pour warm water or a cup of white vinegar. Clean a bottle or a narrow container without scrubbing by filling it with warm water and adding 2 tablets. Clean the sink by adding warm water and some tablets and let it sit overnight. Clean Invisalign trays, caked toothpaste, rust, water dispensers, and more. Your toilet bowl is sparkling clean, mold and bacteria free, no more stains or lime scale. Please let me know in the comments below if you ever used Denture cleanser around your house. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!